What's up, y'all? It's Kiki from Team Reese Travels. I am here at the absolutely stunning Sandals South Coast in Jamaica. You guys, I'm about to give you a room tour. I am so excited to show you this room. It is absolutely beautiful. There are so many cute and elegant accents to it. Let me just show you. Let's go take a look. Enter the room right here on your left. First thing you're gonna see is the bathroom, and y'all, this bathroom is so cute. Look at the sink. Nice big sink here. We got some towels here. Shelving is really cute. Not just regular shelves, just like a nice backdrop for the shelves, right? And then over here we got a couple more shelves with some glasses, and we've got a makeup mirror that's lighted here. And it looks like we have some products. Red Lane is the spa here at Sandals. So we've got some conditioner, shampoo, cleanser, and lotion. Y'all, look at this shower though. This shower is humongous. I just want you to see how big this thing is. Big, huge walk-in shower. Let me step back so y'all can get a full view of it. I want to show y'all just how much room is in this shower. Look at this. Look at this. There's room for like 4 people in here, but this is a couples resort, so 2 people. So that is the shower, and then over here in this corner, you're gonna have your toilet area. I always tell y'all, it's a toilet. Like, little sanitary bags there. And we've got some shelving over here too. I'm assuming maybe you can throw some towels there, which, there's none out right now. Let's see if there's some in this closet. This is the bathroom closet. Oh, look at them, light came on. Look at those lights came on when I opened the closet, y'all. We got a safe. Looks like we got a steamer, and we got some little house shoes there. We have robes. I was wondering if they would have umbrellas. They do have umbrellas here. And you got an iron and an ironing board in the corner. Some extra pillows, and we've got an extra blanket up there too. There's my towels. Towels are down here. And I think that might be a hair dryer in the corner. Yep, hair dryer. Look what this is. Oh, there's product in here. Vanity kit. Interesting. I don't know what that is. Come back out. Look at the cute artwork. Isn't that cute? Just real like beachy feel. Hello, come on Jamaica. I like it. We've got a full length mirror, which is needed of course because hello, resort wear. We got to be cute, right? And then we've got a TV over here with a nice area with drawers, some storage space. And again, a very nice size TV. We've got the bed on this side. It is a king size bed. And we've got a little sitting area right here at the end of the bed. If you need to sit down, take your shoes off, strap your shoes up, whatever you need to do. And more cute artwork. Yes, yes, yes. Over here next to the bed, we've got a nightstand with looks like a speaker set up here that you can Bluetooth into. And you have your in-room dining menu. Your in-room dining is included, so you can always order room service at the hours that they are open. Our concierge said they are open until 10 o'clock tonight. So you also have outlets here on the side of the bed, right there, as well as right here on the side of this thing too. So you got a couple outlet options, and this looks like a reading light. Yep, reading light. Very cute, very cute. Very cute chandelier. Over here is your wet bar area and your little mini bar. All of this stuff is included, you guys. So there's like beer in there. It looks like maybe some juice, some Coke, some Sprite, some wine. So you have options. Let's see what's down here. That's just empty space, looks like. A little ice bucket and a coffee maker here. And up here we've got some teacups, mugs, coffee mugs, whatever you want to use those for. Looks like we got some sugar and creamer back there too. And then up here you've got your glasses and all kinds of black liquor here. So we got whiskey, vodka, gin, just all kinds of different alcohol that is included with this stay. You guys know I don't drink, so I won't be partaking into any of that, but it is available if you were to stay here. And then you've got champagne glasses, wine glasses, cocktail glasses. You got a nice setup here to make your own drinks. Now there's also a nice little sitting area right over here in the corner, which I'm going to show you to right now. Look at that. Isn't that cute? All right, so right here we've got a little sitting area in the corner of the room, enough for 2 people to sit comfortably. And then over here you've got the view of the pool with a swim up bar. So that is cool. We got to go down there and check that out at some point during this stay. Let's see if we can. And then over here, let me show you this. We've got a balcony, guys. Really cute balcony here with a little table and bench set up. And then we also have on the balcony a tub. Isn't that cool? A tub on the balcony, y'all. And then of course we have a nice view of the pool and the resort behind us. So very cute. Now, I almost forgot to show you guys, we do have another nightstand over here with a drawer, so more storage space too. And another cute chandelier. So just some things of note, this suite comes with a concierge. It is not a butler suite, but it comes with a concierge. And actually, I don't even know if it's actually a suite, but it comes with a concierge. So they'll help us book our dinner reservations, shows, things like that, anything that we want to schedule, water activities, things like that. Sandals, all that stuff is included, y'all. Your water activities, your fitness activities, all of that is included. Of course, your food and your drinks are always included, but Sandals includes so much more as a brand. Our transfers was included. Our access to that Sandals lounge at the airport was all included. So very much a top-notch brand when it comes to inclusion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of my room here at Sandals South Coast. It is an absolutely gorgeous room. I cannot wait to check out more of the resort, so stay tuned for that because we're gonna be showing you around this gorgeous property and we don't want you to miss it. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything that's coming. And until the next time, Team Reese all day.